Namaskara. Now I am teaching Pinja Mayurasana. Pinja means feather. Mayura means peacock. Asana resembles the feathered peacock, hence the name. This asana strengthens the shoulders, muscles of the back and the abdomen. This asana increases the elasticity of the spine and removes stiffness. Increases blood flow to the head. That helps to prevent ENT problems, means problems of ears, nose and the throat. This asana pulls the abdomen and pelvic region. This asana expands the chest. That helps to increase the oxygen intake capacity. Who should not do this? Person who has undergone surgery of the wrist, elbows, shoulders and back and neck should not do this. And person who has undergone bypass surgery should not do this asana. Before learning Pinja Mayurasana, in the middle, you should take support. You should take wall support at least 1 or 2 weeks. You should put Padmasana in Pinja Mayurasana. First, you should learn to get that Pinja Mayurasana. Then you can do Padmasana if possible. Now, I show you how to do with the help of wall. Now, I show you how to do with the help of wall. First, you should take the hands like this. You should keep half feet distance between the palms and the wall. Should raise the head up. Exhale and lift the body. Keep its weights on the arms. Should not take the head down. If you take the head down, you will fall in the middle. So you should keep the head up. Now exhale and lift the body. You should stay like this for some time, at least 30 to 60 seconds. After 1 week, try to take one leg like this, then try to take both the legs like this. Then exhale and take the legs down. You should not come up suddenly. You should relax for 15 to 30 seconds. Then come up gently. You'll store the blood in the head portion while doing leg upward stretching asanas. Then you should learn to relax after doing that. At least 15 to 30 seconds. You should allow the blood to flow back. Like this. You should practice for a week. If you get it, okay. Or else you should continue for another 1 week. Then you can practice in the middle. Now, I'll show you how to do it in the middle. This is final stage. Should rest your palms on the ground in front of the body like this. Take the legs like this. Exhale and lift the body. Keep its weights on the arms. Keep the knees tightened. Hold the pose for 60 seconds. with normal breathing. Then exhale, come to the Vajrasana pose and relax. Next, I'll show you Padmasana in Pinja Mayurasana. After learning for few days, it become a hobby for you. Then you can do Padmasana. Now, I'll show you Padmasana in Pinja Mayurasana. Should exhale and come to the position, then should put Padmasana. Stay for 30 to 60 seconds. Then exhale. Then exhale, come to the Vajrasana pose and relax. Practice Pinja Mayurasana and get all these benefits. You should practice in the sequence. Here, you should have patience. You should not try in the middle all the time. First, you should learn to practice with the help of wall. You should get perfection in that. Then, you can practice in the middle. After getting that, after some time, you can try to put Padmasana. Practice Pinja Mayurasana and get all these benefits. Happy time.